What do you say I make for breakfast, mommy? YouTube, this is for YouTube. What do you say I make for breakfast? What is for breakfast? I look over now there, I have smile Jamaican a few. What you have to say about your one boy? Oh. What you have to say about your first bad? Show YouTube your technique. Show them your technique. The taxi come. Hold on, let me see there. It never you can pass it. What my key? What my key? Anyway, bye family, yeah. Good day, burritos. Welcome to another Do Road with Dutty. Once again, I'm here at Smile Jamaica doing, what you call it? Some interview about the year in review 2016. May I run late, so I know them all cuss me off. But at 8:50, them tell me if we reach here, I'm gonna reach here before 8:50. So I'm supposed to. Good! Oh, jeez, oh, Lord, oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Oh, you're being a reach?
Yeah.
You're
I'm here.
rich?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh.
Here, sorry. Hi, Sean.
Hi.
I'm not even gonna go. Okay, so there's no. Okay. That's just
I
it.
want to tell you about the peace cues and element of peace.
From a step in the lady out of the front and like the TVJ guards man I thought about home late. Me. Bombard! I never have to look so good. Watch out. Watch out. How much you smile?
Glasses?
Huh?
No.
Listen, are your glasses on?
Yeah, this is my glasses. Yours are right.
Release your lips.
Oh.
Relax. There we go. Thank you.
I'm asking you a question.
You can give me the contour today?
Yeah, go with it.
You give me the contour today?
Not so
No,
early
put it
on
back
TV.
Oh.
Tammy,
Maybe when you come back with
Tammy,
prime
your
time.
eyes.
Oh, okay.
No, without it.
Thank you.
You're done.
You want me to read?
We look good.
We smell clear.
Whoa,
We have good eyes.
Wait, you know the black and
Turn
white
up
song. You
there.
get the memo. You get the memo. You get the memo.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, ready.
Late.
Alright, bye. TVJ again. Oh, I think that is Karreuche. Karreuche Tran. No. Yes, I want to mention say Karreuche Tran there. Mine, my cup. So take it up. So I mentioned say Karreuche Tran is there. That's Chris Brown ex-girlfriend. She's on set now. And can you believe say them a play Chris Brown Loyal while she's on set? And TVJ have the song replay, repeat. Shady. What is fiction?
Yeah, she
Yeah,
was
man.
there last time. She did very well last time.
Let me get again Steve, where my name? Or one fiction? Squeeze, yeah.
She did very well last time she was here. I think of all the celebrity hosts that they bring down, she's probably
The best one
the one that I
that
hear about the most.
Alright, so before I play that awful interview with, boy, it's just so embarrassing. Anyway, so Karrueche was at TVJ. I have no idea that she was going to be there. When I did see her, I said, wait, I can't see her. I'm going to prep her for one little interview or something. So I initially agreed that I was going to do the interview after Smile Jamaica finished. Box foot. All if you know, say, she had to go, and I had like 2 minutes before my section start, before my interview start, to talk to her. So I just drove her in, and I just started talk from off of the top of my head, and boy, oh boy, I just say a bunch of stupidness, a bunch of silly, stupid things. Me know about her lip line said come out already, and at somehow, some boxfoot how, me end up ask her.
So what's up YouTube? I'm here with the lovely
Karrueche,
Okay, so you've been in Jamaica for just about 1 day now?
one day.
And how have you been
Not
enjoying?
even 24 hours.
Oh wow, you've been enjoying it, right?
Yes, love it.
Okay, so I'm a YouTuber, blogger, in Jamaica. So what do you enjoy most about YouTube?
About YouTube,
Yeah, what do you enjoy most?
the freedom of speech, being able to do whatever you want and be creative and have fun and show your personality.
Alright, so since you're here, I'm going to beg you because I hear that you have a lip line coming out. So tell people about it.
I had 2 makeup collections that already came out, already came out. They did.
It was at this moment that DuttyBerry knew that he effed up.
Came out. They did really well.
No, the last
You're
time
a little late.
No,
but
wait,
no, it's okay.
wait, no, it is 2017. No, it is 2017. No, so I want what's
I
new.
have
Yeah,
some new projects coming up.
that. Yeah,
Acting.
yeah. I know you've been interested about that. So
I've been acting, so that's the main focus right now.
yeah, what excites you about acting so much?
Just being able to play different characters and again be creative and
Okay.
you know use my imagination.
All right. So one quick thing. My little tagline is box cover. So I want you to attempt to say box cover. It just means,
Box
oh my
cover.
God. You have to do this. You have to say, like, you have to get down and do it. Box cover. Ready?
Box cover.
Yeah. You should do that at fiction later. All right, take care. Yes, so that's it for weekend. Oh, jeez. Happy New Year. That was a fun game. Oh, that DJ. Oh, hold on. No, hold on. My foot hurt me.
Best advice you got was to go very big up yourself.
Yeah, that was the best advice. So I'm
You
to go to the
hard
gym.
look good, my
May I
friend.
take my time? May I take my time? So you're going to see the calendar.
Down, my friend.
You're going to my neck. You're going to see the calendar come out. My summer calendar.
So you go sexy body pan them?
No, no, look for me
You
now.
can't go before and after.
I have some serious sexy.
I make them see. Alright, hold on.
No, yeah, you have
Let
to.
me hold it and
Let me
show
hold it,
people.
hold on, yeah.
Look
Watch
at him. Look, lift up your shirt now.
No, I can't. I want the. I know we're straight about the gut,
Oh,
the
the
gut
man
puller.
trainer.
Yeah.
The man trainer people. He have on the man trainer.
Wait, now,
So,
small
what-
answer. Wait, stop turning the camera stuff. The other way, yeah. Want to ask you a question. Why is it that when Karrueche was here, you have Chris Brown at play?
You know,
The girl
say,
coming at the studio,
you
you
know,
have
say,
these
I
hoes ain't
bartender.
loyal.
You know,
Why you have
say, the bartender come to me and say, Naz, I want them song there, I want to see her, and I totally was it.
Alright, so Weekend Smile is over
Yeah.
with Sakina.
26.
And
Yay, and
Yeah.
why am I so? When I can fit the shot.
Alright,
Hi.
What's your trying to
yeah,
Number one
say
blogger
box,
in JA.
Ready?
say box cover.
One, two box cover.
Box. I know, so two box cover.
A box cover.
Alright, let's go again. Let's go again.
1, 2, 3.
Box cover.
Alright, so what is your New Year resolution? New
Oh
Year's
my
resolution.
gosh, my New Year's
And I've
resolution is
none.
to save some money.
Oh, save money.
We're not gonna do it. From
What's
your
yours,
planning
Jeremy?
it.
Well, I want to dip on my son.
Make money.
Set up a business.
Yeah,
Naz,
make money, of course.
You know, oh yeah, make money all day.
Continue to do good, yeah?
Oh, remember your picture they go viral with you there around at the
What's yours?
To get sexy, I always believe some have some
In my
serious.
gym.
No, I have some serious potential.
Yeah, what's yours?
And we just want to have it, realized.
You just
so,
want
look out for
potential.
the.
You
No,
just
but-
want potentially stop eat all the food that you eat. We
Yeah, you
get
look like
rich
you
and
eat well,
laid
you
back.
know.
Look at them
Yeah,
big
eat
pasta.
No,
well.
don't look upon the sun. You see, that's why me I feel go Adele and I wear pair full black.
Yeah, don't worry.
I them some me I put it on.
White neck, that does make
6 months time. 6 months time. Barry I got.
You see when my
out.
calendar I go round.
And she
Yeah.
is not his friend.
I am his
We
friend because I
are-
tell
It's
him
like
the
how
truth.
Germany they send
I
up
tell
on
him-
film Johnny Bravo thing. Me gonna surpass that. Me gonna have my calendar. Believe in it. You see it now.
So your resolution
My resolution is to get fit
and eat less.
and eat less.
Slim.
And eat
Back
Eat
slim.
less.
And don't, you know what? I'm gonna do something a while ago. It's
Yeah,
because of my
eat
channel. What?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, eat less.
I will
Answer,
restrain.
answer.
I will hold back.
Answer.
I will hold back my eating habits.
They say you
I'll
are
say
what
this.
you eat.
Especially
Yeah,
later.
eat less.
Especially late at night.
Oh jeez, I'm film. Jeremy, you're
Jeremy made
disgusting.
that funny.
You're disgusting. But the hear the chocolate joke there, you know. Me hear the chocolate joke there, so me hear it.
Yeah.
Me hear the chocolate joke.
Happy New Year,
Barry, don't scan
And
that
Sakina never hear the chocolate joke.
Can take a picture. She said she knew he liked chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
So you saw him eat chocolate?
So they actually grow in the
Oh my
Take the
God.
picture. Take the picture.
Me turn cameraman.
Yeah.
Woman. What is it?
Cameron.
Camera personnel. Me heart it. What?
Why the tree there? I look like it try out of the leaning tower pizza.
Jermaine, that should have smiled. They'll come back.
A 2017 smile.
You know what? That 27. Real.
No, look on little Beyonce over there, so watch out.
Ready?
I pop out
Yes,
keep on all
we're
them
ready.
something. Watch it.
Beyonce,
Watch
ready,
it.
ready.
Watch it. Watch it. Keep on them something, you know. That girl pose like, you know.
I want to play my man 3 picture. Better start charging, you know. Wait.
Hey, this looks stylish.
My new job.
Yeah, yo.
My new job.
Wait, no more my picture.
Who they can book
Yeah,
me for the
so-
party them. Look on the picture.
Place. Breakfast party tomorrow.
Breakfast party.
Quite a lot of
there.
things.
Money I make.
Say like your job.
Yeah, I'm probably one of the best.
What you do for Mr. Act? What your secret? What your acting secret?
Barry, come here. That's
What
why
you-
I'm getting me in a property.
You know, Sam, they talk to me.
Him come request couple songs. He and
but I
the
tried
lawyer.
it.
Hear him. You man keep them man. Them want to fling two buckle pan.
Wow.
Only for me get some invisible buckle Over there, so
Fight him,
Chris
sing there.
Brown, you that God
Oh,
knows,
John
you never
was there.
realize.
Eh,
Like God know.
I never done.
No, that was good. That was
I
priceless.
just
though.
try to fit it
Yeah,
in
but
with
that's
her.
no.
So
that
Jeremy,
you
do you actually sit on
contributed.
the chair
That's how
and
I
don't
know.
only put on jacket and tie up here so?
Hold on.
Yeah.
But I wait
All
for
the time
you,
or was
but-
that picture?
Make a lift the weights.
Not
I
all
was-
the time,
Let
not
me
all the
lift the
time.
weights. Come, Barry. Ready?
just- no. You say all them something there and make me know. Why do that now? No, it's my
Ready,
channel. No, don't do that. I'm something. It's
That's all
my,
the
you're
time.
doing it. It's my channel. I know people going to comment now.
Ready.
But, it's my channel. And if I see anybody comment and mention about him,
Ready?
it's all about me.
Imagine
Sakina, please, build up my self-esteem. Tell me something sexy. Tell me something sexy, please, Sakina.
6 months time.
No, tell me something sexy. No, I can't do it. Hold on. Watch it. No, hold on. See
Where
ya.
summer?
See
Where
ya.
summer?
See ya. See the chest there. Hold on.
Sakina will attest
Move
to
it
that.
now.
Sakina, don't you see it? Don't you see the chest?
Yeah,
Move it.
Sakina, look there.
Yeah.
See there. Yeah. I fight against.
Everywhere we go.
Anyway, well, that's it. Thanks for watching The Road with Dutty. Peace out. TVJ, DJ, and Sakina, and Jeremy.
Biggest blogger in
Alright, peace out.
Oh, and then to make matters worse, you see, after I left the TVJ studios, my shoes dry rotten. And it just dry rotten and left me a road just so.
So, anyway, I haven't put on the shoes in a whole long. And I go up on the road and look what happened. Watch ya. The shoes dry rotten to Boxwood. So, me just gonna walk right left it. Do not give a shit. No shame in my game. Watch it. Gone off to Boxwood. Shame as a